You're not gonna mess up this gorgeous face. I did my hair, I got my new outfit, I'm just hot. No, there's absolutely no way you're gonna hit me with a pie. Okay, so you hit me with a pie. So what's next? Water? I give up. Okay. Oh, it's on. No, oh, it's on now. I didn't come here to wear a chocolate cream pie. Oh. Wow. Oh, this is a black and white subject here. I'm not going to be taken advantage of. Oh. Good job. I give up. Well, I guess class is dismissed. Yeah, man. What? Oh. What? Here we go.